If you have a television or streaming device like the My Box, Nvidia Shield, or other devices with built-in DirecTV, it's important to install essential apps to enhance your overall experience. In the following list, I will recommend 4 top apps from the Google Play Store in various categories that you should consider installing on your Android TV device. Let's begin with the recommendations to optimize your Android TV experience. Number 1. Haystack TV. If you desire news from sources that are more dependable than Twitter or Facebook, the Haystack TV app might be the ideal solution for you. It offers a diverse range of topics and interests for you to choose from, specifically from the sources you have the highest level of trust in. Currently, the app provides access to over 100 local and international news sources, allowing you to make a selection that suits your preferences. Moreover, Haystack TV boasts an exceptional layout that is nearly flawless on any television. Number 2. AccuWeather. Regarding weather apps that I have tested, AccuWeather stands out as our top choice. It offers a substantial amount of data, presenting local forecasts for various locations around the globe. These forecasts include details such as the location itself, day and night weather predictions, severe weather warnings, the UV index, and numerous other valuable features. Furthermore, AccuWeather grants users the flexibility to view the temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit, based on their preference. Number 3. Twitch. If you're interested in watching streams of other people playing video games, the essential app for you is Twitch. With Twitch, you can easily navigate through their app and explore the games that are currently being streamed. Who knows, you might even discover new techniques or strategies to enhance your own gameplay skills. Twitch is a valuable platform for gamers seeking entertainment, learning opportunities, and community engagement through live streaming. Number 4. CBS All Access. There is a subscription service that provides on-demand access to thousands of TV show episodes, including a vast collection of popular CBS network programs. In addition to the back catalog of hits, this service offers live streaming of local NFL games and original content such as Star Trek, Discovery, The Good Fight, and the recent reboot of The Twilight Zone. However, it's worth noting that the app currently has some technical issues that will hopefully be resolved in the future. Similar to Hulu, the basic plan for CBS All Access is priced at $5.99 per month, with a limited amount of commercials included. Thank you for considering the essential apps for your Android TV device. These recommended apps from the Google Play Store can greatly enhance your overall experience. Enjoy accessing your favorite TV shows, streaming live sports, and exploring new content with these apps. Make the most of your entertainment and streaming capabilities on your television or streaming device.